Wahala for who dey see everybody as helper during omugwu. No be everybody wey shine teeth come your house with God bless the newborn baby for mouth mean well o. Some of dem na assignment from ministry of bad advice and wahala affair. Dem go come with fake smile. Dis your baby too fine oo. Make you no dey cover am like dat jare. Make fresh air dey touch am. Next thing wey you go hear, I hope say you no dey plan to carry am go dat hospital for immunization. Those nurses dem no sabi work oo. Before you blink, na so dem go boil water wey hot pass fire say na to press nerve. For my area, one sisi nearly turn person pikin to pepper soup. The pikin cry neighbors come think say na generator wey no wan off. When the mama check, the water fit cook egg. Sisi still get mouth dey say na so dem dey do am make the navel flat. Make flat kill you there. My advice be say no be every I wan help you suppose enter your house, because some helpers carry wahala for pocket and ignorance for head. My brother man and sister woman, if dis thing touch you, abeg share am make another person learn something today. No forget to drop your experience for comment section. I salute all of una. Una doh.